Metro makes the choice self-explanatory when you follow the good, better, and best guidelines. For storage and transport in most environments, a good choice is MetroMax Q. MetroMax Q provides the best of both worlds. Hybrid rust-resistant coated wire understructure with removable polymer shelf mats for a strong, cleanable solution. Easy to adjust with a flip of your finger, MetroMax Q offers the unique ability to transition quickly when your storage needs change. Because it holds up to 800 pounds per shelf, MetroMax Q is good for heavy load storage, the most abusive mobile applications, and large-scale heavily loaded overhead track shelving. All of this makes MetroMax Q a good choice in polymer shelving. For 100% rust-proof performance in wet environments and for areas that require frequent cleaning, all-polymer MetroMax 4 is a better choice. It's built to handle what you store most, strong to hold up to 600 pounds per shelf, proven stability for mobile applications, and is designed with removable mats so it's easy to clean. You can choose either open grid mats or solid mat shelf styles. MetroMax 4 is the most affordable investment for this level of performance ever. For an overall better polymer shelving solution, choose MetroMax 4. For the strongest, most versatile shelving system in the world, MetroMax I is the best choice in polymer shelving from Metro. Because it's 100% rust-proof, with super strong stainless steel corners that can hold up to 800 pounds per shelf. MetroMax I is best for heavy load cooler and freezer storage, dry storage, mobile carts, all configurations of overhead track shelving, and of course, wet environments. It has removable grid mats or one-piece solid mats for the best spill containment and cleanability. The range of accessories, especially for drying trays, pans, and pots, provide versatile solutions that organize your space and promote food safety. For the hands-down best polymer shelving solution, MetroMax I is the forever choice. No matter which MetroMax shelving you choose, all have built-in Microban antimicrobial product protection and are guaranteed to be a stronger, cleaner, superior solution in any environment. Quite simply, MetroMax is forever shelving.